Okay, everyone, welcome back. Today I'm trying to do a voiceover on this video just because it's so loud in this house, and I just can't capture commentary when I'm recording this video. So anyway, got three trades for you tonight. This first one here was about just before 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Um, and once the market had opened, it was bullish, period, just straight up. So I was bullish still and just looking for my entry model. I did jump in a little bit early. I can see here on this candle that's printing now is really the candle I should have waited on, but nonetheless, it worked out okay. As you can see, I'm just kind of moving my entry box to where it should be. And for these trades, I was in a bit of drawdown on two accounts, so I was really just trading my P&L here. Not a good idea, but that's what I was doing. I just really wanted to get out of drawdown. So, got to not pay too much attention to the take profit. Anyway, chart on the right, 3 minute. I could see my entry model appeared in 3 minutes. So I'm really confident at that point. And as price action started moving up, I was really just thinking about closing out manually when I was happy with the P&L. So move stops just in case something weird happened, and just sit here waiting for price action to get high enough to where I can be comfortable closing out in a decent amount of profit. And you can see here I close out right there, right around $200. So decent first trade. And from here on out, I just kind of noted that I just wasn't really interested. You could see price really ran up into my take profit, but I just wasn't interested at the time. So I got out. Okay, and trade number two, set up pretty quickly, right around just before 8 p.m. You can see here I'm setting up a sell stop entry just because I'm trading multiple accounts. I'm kind of hopping between accounts, so kind of helpful to just do a sell stop. 3 minute chart to the right. I was just a little bit of confusion going on, really what was happening with price, but I was kind of committed to a sell off because we'd run up so much already. Anyway, there's a 100 EMA down there that I was just kind of paying attention to. Obviously, if we're above it, we want to be careful about shorts, so that's why I did that. But we got some nice movement through off of my entry model. And you can see here, I sped up the video quite a bit there, but basically it just has some consolidation and then a return back down to the 1830 open price. And I use that a lot. Just it's a great POI to watch for, 1830 open price. As you can see here, I'm setting up an exit, a partial exit. So I want to get rid of like 10 micros, I think is what I'm trying to do there. Yep. So I just got rid of 10 micros and I'm just resetting my stop loss and take profit to the rest of the position. That's all that was there. And, rest of the trade, right around the 1830 price. When I see price near that and it's not doing anything, I typically will just kind of chalk it up to consolidation and kind of exit out of my position. So it was a point of interest for sure. It's a retracement play, but once it hits it, you really need to be careful about what you don't really know where it's going to go after that, basically. So that's why I'm exiting early on this trade, particularly right here. Obviously it went a lot more, but that's okay. So basically, the extra, taking early profits and then taking that last bit was basically the same. So it's taking the full position. So, oh well, no harm, no foul, and successful trade number two for the evening. Okay, so third and final trade for the night. You can see I'm setting up my entry box here, entry model. Got a true 4 red setup. However, the 3 minute still wasn't fully aligned, but I was pretty much bearish. You can see I'm looking over at the the open of the market. It was, that's kind of where price was heading. So I was just committed to a sell on this trade. This is the actual entry. Not gonna lie, I botched this entry pretty badly. It's just weird how it kind of unfolded. It I don't know. I had a limit order and I moved it down, and then it like took half of the position or a couple of micros in the position, and then it was like ghosted the rest of the entry. You could see kind of there's like a ghost of some micros left on the table, so it was just kind of weird. So, but it worked out. Not too bad. Obviously below my where I really wanted to get in, but that worked out. And then here I'm just kind of watching the 3 minute. I can see it's starting to turn red, which is good. So the 2 minute is kind of the indicator, and the 3 minutes of confirmation that it's going to be continuation. So a little bit of consolidation at range, a little bit of a pullback, not too bad. And here I'm just waiting for it to just fall off a ledge. There, I found another entry model. So it was a second follow up. And then here is where kind of I was starting to have some browser issues, and I was just scared. I just wanted to get out, so I exited out with $200 profit. So all in all, great Asia session, 3 for 3. I think it ended up with like right around almost $600, maybe $500, something like that. I don't know. I have to go back and look. But between the first trade and this trade, it was 400, and I think it was probably like $100 on the first, or excuse me, on the second trade. So, but anyway, I had a great session. Hopefully, you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this voiceover style video works. I'm kind of new at it, so hopefully it comes out okay. Again, thanks for watching, everyone. Doing well. Hopefully, you're doing well, and take care.